It was early morning in Panama anchorage. After picking up our anchor, we started proceeding towards the Panama Canal. The horizon was painted in shades of gold, the kind of sunrise that makes you stop for a second just to admire. But the tugs were already there and we had to make faster. After making fast the tug, I went to pick up our pilot at the pilot station. There finally I could see my beautiful sunrise. Now if you have watched our previous videos, then you must know what a sea pilot means. If no, then he is a guy who will help us to navigate through the entire crossing of Panama Canal. Once we have our pilot on board, we started proceeding towards the new Panama Canal locks. When I saw the new Panama Canal for the first time, it felt different, not just visually, but in every possible way. Here in the new Panama Canal, there were no locomotives. Here we used the help of tugs and our own ship propulsion to enter the lock system. Once we are inside the lock, the Panama shore crew helps us to make fast the line to keep us alongside during the filling process. The original Panama Canal was completed in 1940. It worked well for many years, but as ships became bigger, a problem started. Many modern ships were too large to fit in. This is why the new Panama Canal or the expanded canal was opened in 2016. It was designed to handle massive vessels like ours, which called Neo-Panamax ships, which are nearly twice the size of the old canal limit. While we were at the new lock, we can see some ships passing through the old canal also. Now the difference between two canals were the locking system. The old canal uses the meter gates, which swings open and close, but the new one, they uses the massive rolling gates. This slides to the sides, disappearing into the wall like a hidden mechanism, revealing the next chambers ahead. It's engineering at its finest, seamless, calculated, almost in artistic way. In the old locks, the water flows directly from Garden Lake, filling and emptying the chambers. But here, it is different. It's smarter. Instead of simply draining millions of gallons into the ocean, the new canal uses massive water-saving basins, recycling and reusing up to 60% of the water. You don't even see the rush. The water rises smoothly, almost silently lifting us up, with such precision that it feels effortless. But you know the power behind it. As we move ahead, I glance towards the old lock again. The same cruise ship was still in Pedro Miguel, slowly making its way down. Here we are, already well into our passage. The efficiency of this new system was undeniable. It felt faster, smoother, more modern, but beyond all the technicalities, beyond the numbers, there was something deeper, something only a sailor can feel. To see a ship, especially our ship, a giant like this, being carried by nothing but water, passing through this colossal gates, moving from one ocean to another like it's nothing. It's a privilege, I guess. It's something I had always read about, always imagined, and today I guess I was living it. After nearly 5 hours of crossing, we reached the other side, the Atlantic side. The wait in the queue, the slow approach, the steady rise and fall of the water, all of it led to this. On this side, it felt like we were descending from the mountains, carried by nothing but the current. A surreal feeling, knowing that just a few hours ago we were on the Pacific side and now we are sailing into an entirely different ocean. This is the kind of experience no textbook, no documentary, no story can fully capture. You have to be here, you have to feel it yourself. Now, this was my experience transiting through the new Panama Canal, an experience that only a sailor can truly feel. I hope you enjoy this journey as much as I did. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And there's so much more to come, and I can't wait to take you along to the next adventure, which will be New York.
You don't be a fool.